Hello bushwhackers and wild campers, I hope you're well. Been out camping last night and it dawned on me that one of the things I've never talked about is midges and mosquitoes. Now I don't know about you, but I'm quite badly affected by midge bites. I come out in big welts, big blisters, really itchy, and they just look really unsightly and they take a while to heal, especially if you get them on your body. So I thought I'd share with you my top tips for keeping midges at bay, which also is going to help with mosquitoes too. Tip number one is a bit of a funny one. I'll show you. So this is for keeping them off your body. I have quite a few of these in different styles, different colours, some of them plain. These are sports tops, if you like, that kind of thing, skin tight compression tops. I also have something similar on my legs, which are compression tights, and it means the air can get to your body, but because of the elasticated nature of everything, midges can't get up your sleeves and into your cuffs or up your ankles. And I have actually got my socks over my compression tights here just to add an additional bit of support for that idea, so to keep things out. I just find these are really good because one of the things, one of the places where I often get bitten is down the lower back, because they creep in behind your trousers, whereas this stops this. So if you've got something tight below, something tight above, keeps the little blighters out. The next one, quite obvious, get some kind of midge net or something to go over your head, because if you've got the rest of your body covered with some kind of skin tight stuff, or you've got elasticated cuffs on at best, you just need something to protect your face and neck, don't you? And these things are great. You need a really fine one that will cover midges, but yeah, they do the trick. I found this earlier in the year, found it in Yorkshire Trading, in the Yorkshire area, and it's by Yellowstone, and it's actually a kind of full upper body cover, elasticated waist and elasticated cuffs, and it covers your whole upper body. And one of the big advantages to this is it's even got a zip here for if you need to get access to your mouth for feeding. Not bad, eh? So yeah, I like this one too. This is another one of my midge safety, anti-midge devices. Can't get the words out. Another one that I like to use is the Thermacell backpacker. Lightweight, sits on top of a standard gas canister, takes these little blue pads. What you do is you spark it up and heats the pad, and it just helps dispel and keep midges at bay in your local area. Creates a bit of a radius, like a protective dome around you if you like. Very good, quite like this too. And then finally, the one that'll keep you looking young and fresh, believe it or not, Avon Skin So Soft. Avon jumped on the bandwagon when they realised that this was quite effective at keeping midges and stuff off your skin. It became really popular in Scotland, as you might understand if you've been to Scotland. All you need is one of these, spray it on your skin, rub it in, and it creates a barrier on your skin that stops the midges from being able to get in and bite you. They'll still land on you, they'll still be annoying, they'll still be tickly, that kind of stuff, but they won't be able to bite you. Really good, brilliant, I totally recommend this. Not only that, you smell fresh and look pretty. Right. The reason I'm recommending all of these things is they avoid DEET. You know, that really horrible midge repellent, that kind of stuff, insect repellent, that's full of DEET. That stuff is really aggressive and it's not good for your skin. And these methods, they just help keep stuff off you without damaging you, really. Hope you found that useful. If you have, let me know in the comments. If you've got any better or alternatives, let me know in the comments. And you know what to do if you like what I'm doing. If you don't like it, well, you just give it a thumbs down. And if you don't like what I'm doing, don't subscribe. But if you do, hey, hit subscribe and smash the bell. All right, that's all. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.